John, you're making some great progress for us here.
Thank you.
Some smart looking appliances too.
Very smart.
Smart, and I'm told helps with accessibility.
Yes, correct. So we don't have electricity in the house yet, but this will have a feature on both of these ovens that you touch a button and then the door automatically pops open.
Very nice.
And they also swing. These are left swing doors.
Right, instead of the traditional pull down.
Correct,
right
yeah.
there.
Same on this one.
And this unit is what here?
This is a convection steam oven. This replaces a traditional microwave today. Right. Very quick cooking, and it comes out very fresh with leftovers.
Yep.
Things like that.
Terrific.
Traditional built-in refrigerator with ice and water on the door.
Okay.
Got our nice dishwasher here, waiting on a panel for that. It's going to match the cabinetry there.
Very nice. Faucet, I'm told that when the plumbing is finally connected that this is touchless as well.
Correct, yep.
So you just wave your hand over it, nothing easier than that.
Correct.
And then cooktop?
Yep, so this is an induction cooktop. Traditional cooktops have a spot for each particular pan.
Right.
This cooktop does not do that. You can put a pot anywhere on the surface here. And then once we have electricity, the cooktop communicates with the hood via Wi-Fi. So when you turn the cooktop on, the hood will also turn on at the same time.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Yep. A lot of new technology.
No one's got to reach up here or have to reach
Correct.
up there. If you can control this.
Everything's controlled right here. That is
Very
correct.
nice. All right. Looks good. I'm glad anything that adds accessibility is helpful for our homeowners.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.